Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to fix audio issues with Steam Link when sound isn't working properly. Follow these steps to resolve the problem. Step 1. Locate the Steam application. Go to the search bar on your PC and type Steam. Find the Steam application in the search results. Step 2. Open File Location. Right-click on Steam and select Open File Location. This will take you to the folder where Steam is installed. Step 3. Access Steam folder properties. Right-click on the Steam folder and select Show More Options. Then click Properties at the bottom of the menu. Step 4. Configure compatibility settings. In the Properties window, navigate to the Compatibility tab. Here you'll find several options. Check the box labeled Run this program in compatibility mode. 4. And select your Windows version from the drop-down menu. Check the box labeled Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK to save these changes. Step 5. Access Sound Settings. Open the control panel on your PC. Click on Sound to open the Sound Settings window. Step 6. Adjust Playback Device Settings. In the Sound window, select the Playback tab. Here you'll see all your audio devices. Right-click on the device you're using for Steam Link and select Properties. Step 7. Explore Audio Settings. In the Device Properties window, explore all available tabs, General Levels, Enhancements, Advanced, and make any necessary adjustments. On the Advanced tab, try changing the default format to a different sample rate. On the Enhancements tab, check Disable all enhancements if you're experiencing audio issues. Click Apply and OK to save any changes. Step 8. Restart your PC. Finally, restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. After rebooting, launch Steam Link and test the audio to confirm it's working properly.